Go.
Alrighty, so welcome back. Sorry about the second video. Some technical difficulties came up. So for right now, I was showing you guys this guy right here that I was going to split. Well, I already have one relatively done. It would be this guy right here. I already started the. I already split it. I already started the blade, and I'm gonna now. I'm gonna start. Wow, I'm totally sorry. I'm gonna heat treat the blade now. So you take it, put in the pit. Make sure your air is going. That's a big thing. Otherwise, you're not gonna have anything happening. Get that going. Get it up to temperature. Add a bit of fuel to it. There we go. And one more for good measure. Alright. Today I'm going to do an oil quench. I'm going to go get the oil and